This was the craziest month at the Motel yet. We broke every single record that we had already set this summer. We absolutely crushed it from a financial standpoint. And in this video, I'm gonna open up the books and share all of our secrets, including one that I think you can apply with pretty much any business to absolutely crush it. So with that being said, let's jump into it. Guys, I'm gonna be honest, early on, this motel had me nervous. Now, coming from a background of residential real estate and even getting into triple net leases, storage units, I mean, I've got over 300 units of residential and all of these other investments, but this was a completely different game. This is a legitimate business where there's so many other pieces and parts where early on, I don't know, especially looking back at the videos, I was worried I made a massive mistake investing in this property. And somehow it has turned into my favorite investment that I've ever made. And so I'm so excited in this video to share with you some crazy financials and something top secret that has completely changed my business, especially here at the motel. But before we get to that, we've got to give you all of the updates, the ups and downs we ran into this month, and a bunch of other things. So if you want to come this way, I want to share something else with you. We have the Grand Teton Retreat in exactly 1 month. It's August 29th through August 31st. And I've made the decision that we're going to bring everyone here to the motel, and we have some incredible surprises. Now, along with this, we're going to be touring 5 other properties, showing you renovations, opening up the books on all of these properties, and we're going to have small multifamily, large multifamily, a motel, storage units, and a bunch of other case studies that you're going to get to see and walk with us. We're also going to be going boating, eating phenomenal food. We have the best speakers yet coming in for this event, and we're more than half filled. So if you've been thinking about it, now is your chance to jump on it and come and join us. However, the most important part for you about these events is the fact that you get to connect with 40 other like-minded investors and really figure out where you're at, where you want to be, and everything you need to do to bridge the gap. And you've got somebody supporting you and behind you to help you do it. I love these events. I love what they do for people. And so if you've been thinking about it, jump on it because we've only got a couple spots left. We put the link down in the description and in the comments. And with that, let's jump into the video. Before I forget, if you guys have any suggestions for this motel, please let me know in the comments. There have been so many helpful comments that have drastically changed our business here. And so if you have any ideas for me on how we can do better, let me know in the comments. Thanks, guys. All right, now before we get into all the positives, I want to talk about a couple of the negatives. We have renovated close to half of the units in this place. And again, we took on the worst units, so a lot of the units were already in phenomenal shape. However, after looking through and seeing reviews, we are seeing that everyone is ecstatic about the new rooms, and we're crushing it, which we're going to talk about at the end of the video. But something that kills me is when people see a good review, they come in and they end up with one of our oldest, sorry, Tanner just ran into the chair, it threw me off. They see one of our oldest rooms that they get when they've seen all these positive reviews on the new rooms. And then they're a little, I don't know, unhappy with that situation. And so as I've thought about it, a lot of these rooms, I was gonna wait a long time before taking on renovations, but I think I made the decision this next off season, we're gonna have to put a lot more money into this business. The reason I've decided to put a lot more money into this business is the cash flow has gotten so crazy that, I don't know, I see some really wild potential for the future and the off season. Now, this off season is going to be a big indicator on how much of this we can sustain or if it's just during the summer. But based on what I was expecting this property to do, in just 2 months, we got the cash flow that I was planning on for the entire year, which to me is absolutely mind-boggling. One other secret, this video is also sponsored by Local Clicks, which has absolutely changed this business and many of my others. And in the end of the video, we're gonna explain why. All right, I'm gonna break all that down, but since I made Tanner back up, now I'm gonna back up for this portion. We're gonna see how I do. A couple of other problems we ran into. We've had staffing issues because cleaning this has been difficult. Now I say staffing issues, my management team is phenomenal here. I'm beyond impressed. And because of that, they've taken care of the hiring. We've had a couple extra cleaners, a couple extra employees. That's slightly increased our payroll, but overall, I've been really happy with how it's turned out. We also just naturally deal with some of the issues that come with consistently having these units filled. One of them is we've got a unit over here that reached the point wear and tear wise where we just had to take it on. And actually, Tanner, why don't you come over here? We're gonna just dive into that. This unit got to the point where it was a smoking room and it was just beat up, and management came to me and they said, Chandler, we just need this one fixed up, but we're in the middle of the summer. So as of right now, every single room is booked for this evening with online bookings, but we had to take on this renovation. We're trying to pull it off so that we only miss 1 weekend worth of bookings and 1 week so that we're ready by next weekend. So we've already got everything torn up as of today. Over the next couple days, we're gonna dive in, completely redo this unit. And so it's one less unit that we have to take on in the fall. And then we're gonna have to figure out what our plan is in the fall in taking on all of the units. The other thing that we've run into is there are people that want smoking units, but it's really hard to have smoking and non-smoking. And so I'm tormented with this. I would love to know what you guys think in the comments, but I'm thinking about completely removing all of the smoking units. We've already removed a lot of them because when we go in and renovate those rooms, then we end up replacing them, and we're not gonna take a replaced room and turn it into a smoking room. It's just been tricky because there are lots of people that are coming here that have been used to being able to get a smoking room. However, I think overall it's gonna be the best thing for the motel to make every room a non-smoking room. But let me know what you think in the comments. All right, I'm jumping all over the place, but there's so much information I wanted to give you. We're not gonna be able to squeeze it all into this video, but I know that you really wanna get to the end where we get to hype up the financials and talk about how incredibly this performed and share some of our top secrets that have completely transformed this business. But before I do that, I wanna show you, it is 3:07. This room has just been freshly cleaned. However, everyone checks in at 4, and we're already seeing some people starting to get here trying to check in early, and so we're gonna try and motate through this. I just wanted to give you a reminder, this is another one of those rooms that we updated. We've got new bedding, new pictures, new paint, new flooring, and this unit has been crushing it. A lot of these new ones have been crushing it, and it's just been so exciting to see all of these positive reviews roll in. I think the other thing I have to give a shout out to management. I asked them today, I said, hey, can I put you in the video? I want the YouTube channel to meet you and just know all that you've done for this business, because none of this could have worked if we didn't have phenomenal management. And we got really lucky because management came with the place, and there were so many of these changes that they've wanted to do for years that bringing in the money and the ability to transform these units and coupling it with their phenomenal work when it comes to taking care of people has just been so cool. But I guess I'll just give them a shout out. They have a really cool story. They've worked here for 18 years, have a great relationship with a ton of people that just keep coming back, and now our reviews are blowing through the roof because not only do they have good management, but a lot of these rooms have been done and are in a great place. Also want to give a shout out to those of you that suggested we change the doors and door frames. This is one of them that has been replaced, looks brand new, and instead of doing the whole door, we were just able to patch, fix up, paint. We also got these new knobs, and we have so many cool things going on. So this is a look at the room. I think now that I've held you off long enough, it's time to dive into the financials. And before we do that, I have to give a shout out. Now I said, well, let's go over here to give the shout out. All right, I wanna take just a second to give a massive shout out to Local Clicks. This is the company that I used for our AI, SEO, website design, all of those things. They are so phenomenal because they're extremely inexpensive, but they have gotten this motel ranked, and a massive chunk of our income isn't even coming from the booking sites where you have to pay fees. It's coming directly through our website because they've done such a phenomenal job at helping our business rank. Now, I've only been working with them for the last 4 or 5 months, and I'm gonna put some charts and some other things up here. We went from having no website to getting no views to absolutely blowing up, where over half of our income is coming straight from our website, where we don't have any additional fees. And this has been a game changer. And the cool thing about this company is when it comes to SEO, website design, and getting ranked in AI platforms like ChatGPT, Claude, all of those, they're so much less expensive than the normal agencies, and they do so much more. And they've been giving me consistent weekly updates to see where our traffic is going and what we can do to capture more of that traffic. And I am just ecstatic about this relationship. You're gonna hear me talk about them a lot more because we just implemented them in both of our storage units, and already we're seeing some really cool results there. And we've got some other surprise businesses coming that we're gonna implement them as well. So I'm gonna put their link down in the description. If you wanna check them out, there is a little bit of a wait list, so don't be surprised if you submit your information. It takes them a while to reach out with you, but they are crushing it, and it's worth the wait. All right, guys, it's time to talk about the finances, and I am just ecstatic. Now, with that being said, as our income has gone up, our expenses have gone up as well. That's to be expected, but I am absolutely blown away. If you take my best case situation for this motel for this summer, we have done better than that, if I'm honest. And so just to dive into it now, one thing, I got a lot of flack last time for not showing the actual software numbers. Here's why it's complicated, and this is something that we are gonna get fixed. We just can't do it in the middle of the summer. Right now, we have multiple booking sites. Each of these booking sites are sending us information. They're also sending us fee structures. It's super messy, coming from all over the place. We have a Stripe account through the software we use, Little Hotelier. We have another account through our Square account. It is messy, to say the least. And then we have cash coming in. Eventually, I'll get to the point where everything hits into a bank account. Well, it does already. It's just, I would be scrolling to show you because each individual thing is coming through. I need to get more organized and so that I can show you legitimate, like this is where it came in. So you're gonna have to trust me with these numbers, which I get it if you don't, but at the end of the year, I'm gonna open everything up and show you where it's at. And I'm gonna work to try and get it so that it's a little more realistic where I can show you the Square pictures, Little Hotelier pictures, and the other pictures and our expenses on one of these videos. However, this video has gone long and now I'm making it longer. So we're gonna dive into it. Number one, income this month was $36,159. That is the largest income month this motel has had in its entire life, which is so freaking cool. Second thing, payroll went up. Now keep in mind, a lot of the people that are receiving payroll are also receiving free housing here. And that's why some people have said, Chandler, that looks low. It is low because they're also getting free housing on top of it right here at the motel. Payroll was $4,288. My mortgage and taxes and insurance, this is the crazy part, $3,911 for this place. And if you'll remember, I put less than $500,000 and bought this for 900 and something. I don't remember the exact numbers on that, but we put in a large chunk and we got this on seller financing with a very low interest rate. And I'm ecstatic about it because it has a 10-year balloon on a 25-year AM. So really, really cool there. That's why that's so low. When it comes to utilities, we had a bill for $1,150, $650, $923. That last one's some of the random stuff. That put us at a total cash flow of $25,237. Now, I haven't dove in to see if we're back to break even from all of the renovations we put into this place because I think we're well over $100,000 that we've put in. But we haven't even reached our 1 year mark here. We don't even know what's going to happen the next couple months. We just know we are absolutely crushing anything this motel has ever done before. And if you'll remember, I was panicked because we've had months as small as only $8,000 in the off season. So the real determining factor on how well this is going to perform, I think we can already see we're going to break even in the off season and then crush it in the summer. But we don't know how many months we're going to crush it. We also don't know with the software help and the SEO and the AI and the website and all of these other things, there is a good chance that we go into the winter and we're still having massive months. We just don't know because we haven't experienced those months yet because I haven't even owned this place for a whole year. So it's gonna be really interesting. But simple math, say I put $500,000 down on this property, a 10% cash on cash return would be $50,000. We have cash flowed over $50,000 in just the last 2 months. And the month before that, we crushed it too. Now, again, we put a ton of money into this place, but we're hoping to only have to do that right now and we'll have years of crushing it in this place. We are ecstatic. I am ecstatic about where this is at. And I'm so excited to see where it goes. And if you want to come see it in person and really see the books opened up and all of the details, make sure you come catch us at the CDS Grand Teton Retreat. We're exactly 1 month out. We'll put the link down in the description. We've only got a couple spots left and I would love for you to come and fill it. The only requirements you have to meet if you're wanting to come, you have to be in a financial place where you can invest so that it's actually beneficial for you. And you've got to be someone that's humble, hardworking, teachable, and just gonna come in and bring value, want to connect, and someone that I want to be friends with long term. And so if that matches you, let's make sure that we get you there. And I'll look forward to hopefully having a little call with you to see if it's a good fit. If you guys enjoyed this video on the motel and you like these monthly updates, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the little bell. And here's the last thing. So many of the comments have helped us make moves that have drastically improved this motel. So if you have any other ideas for us, make sure that you let me know. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.